I want to update and expand my customer support agent for the Symbol Games store. Let's call this the Symbol Games Assistant. This is the main greeter for the customer. And this agent needs to handle 3 types of customers. One wants to decide what game to get, so let's make a specialist for that. The game recommender. And another customer just needs to know how to play. That's a totally different task, so we'll make a game directions agent for that. And the last one is for customers to actually purchase games. We'll call that one the game purchaser. My Symbol Games Assistant is my root agent. It's like my floor manager. If the user says, I need a gift, or what's good for kids, it delegates here. If they ask, how does the knight move in chess, it delegates over here. And if they are ready to purchase a game, it would go here.
Building your agent in the console is even easier than sketching it on paper. Just start designing.